Have you ever had a moment in your life where something literally just clicked? I feel so grateful to be part of a winning team and to share with you today a winning formula for success. My name's Melanie Wins, and I knew I had to recreate myself during the pandemic. I had to follow the 3 Ps. For me, those 3 Ps were pivot, polish, and plan. A sales and marketing professional without a plan is not going to go very far. I knew that in 2021, I wanted to take my brand to the next level. We're part of a digital revolution. We are in a digital era. Everything is digital. Bricks and mortar has become click and order. And it's time for you to get with the times. Have you ever wanted to learn how to use ClickFunnels? Do you know what ClickFunnels is? I'm sure you've seen all these people become super successful and wealthy just by promoting their brands online. But what's really going on behind the scenes? What does the word mean SaaS to you or CAS to you? We can explain these terms. I signed up for a program called Sales Mentor. Sales Mentor is a digital program which will teach you a lot of these components to be successful online selling your brand. It's time to take your sales game to the top. I want to work with winners, A game, Class A winners. Let's go. Let's drive the car. Websites are like parked cars. ClickFunnels is what drives your brand online. We will teach you everything you need to know on how to implement a successful digital marketing campaign for 2021. So, I'll see you on course. How you get started is click the link below my video, fill out the information. It's that simple. Course is 30-day money-back guarantee, and I know after studying the first few modules, you'll be hooked, just as I was. I'm wishing you great success.